It was a pleasure today to interact with a number of students here, masters, PhD, to discuss about the Mediterranean. It's a geopolitical, geoeconomic, geosecurity challenges. And the whole conversation was about how can we, countries of the New South, the southern rim of the Mediterranean, engage with the European Union, make sure that our interests collide, and that we find common platforms so that the future would actually be much better than the last 30 years since the Barcelona process started. You know, 30 years after Barcelona, 30 years after 1995, the promises did not materialize, and surely not at the level that were expected. So now we are looking at the future and trying to see what are the keys that we could use and to open, the gates to a new type of relationship. So that was the conversation, and I must say that the students were extremely involved and were extremely curious about what the future has in store for them and for our region.